Dear students, we were discussing about the second chapter, magnetic effect of electric current. So in this chapter we learned a current carrying conductor develops a magnetic field. So in order to find this magnetic field lines, we inserted a straight conductor through a cardboard and we got the magnetic field lines around a straight conductor as a pattern of concentric circles. And to find the direction of these magnetic field lines, we used right hand thumb rule. So what is right hand thumb rule? Yes, imagine that you are holding this current carrying conductor in the right hand so that the thumb indicates the direction of current and other fingers holding this current carrying conductor indicates the direction of magnetic field lines. So here you can see the current is flowing in the upward direction and this magnetic field lines are in the anti-clockwise direction. Now let us see what pattern of magnetic field lines will be obtained when the current carrying conductor is in the circular coil or in the shape of a circular loop. So in the case of a straight conductor, we got the magnetic field lines like this. And now let us see what shape or what pattern we will get in the case of circular coil. So for that, let us take a circular coil. Insert the circular coil in a glass plate having two holes. Connect the end of the circular coil to the power supply. Sprinkle iron powder on this glass plate. So why we are using this iron powder? In order to get the magnetic field lines around the circular coil, we are using this iron powder. Okay, so here you can see these iron powders are randomly placed because there is no current is flowing now and there is no magnetic field. That's why these iron powders are now randomly placed. While passing current through this coil, what happens? A current carrying conductor develops a magnetic field, is it? Due to this magnetic field, the iron powder arrange like this, which means that these are the magnetic field lines around a circular coil. So here you can see small circles and the circle become bigger and bigger as we move away from this point, and here also you can see the small circles, and as we move away from this point the circles are becoming bigger and bigger, and at the middle of this circular coil the arc of the circles are looks like the straight lines. So this is the pattern of magnetic field lines in the case of circular coil carrying current. So the schematic diagram of this experiment is shown here. You can see the circular coil is placed on a cardboard having two holes at A and B. The end of the circular coil is connected to a battery. Here you can see the positive end and here you can see the negative end. Current flows from positive end to negative end along through this direction. So current flows from the point B to A. And we can draw the magnetic field lines around the point A and B using this diagram. So here you can see smaller circles, and circles are becoming bigger and bigger as we move away from this point, and the magnetic field lines appear as a straight line at the center, and the same pattern you can see here also. Then how can we get the direction of these magnetic field lines? Yes, for that we can use right hand thumb rule. So place your right hand at this point so that this thumb indicates the direction of current and this other fingers indicates the direction of magnetic field. So here the current is flowing along this direction, and here you can see at this point the current is flowing downwards. So place like this so that this thumb indicates the current downwards and other fingers will indicate the direction of magnetic field lines. So in order to find the direction of magnetic field lines around a circular coil, you have to use the right hand thumb rule. Okay, so using right hand thumb rule, you can get the direction of current as well as direction of magnetic field lines at each and every point on this circular coil. So here you can see the magnetic field lines are in the anti-clockwise direction, and here you can see the magnetic field lines are in the clockwise direction. And at the central region, here you can see the magnetic field lines are appears to be entering into the phase. Is it? Here the magnetic lines are seems to be entering into the phase. So we studied in the case of bar magnet, magnetic field lines are entering into the south phase and coming out from the north phase. Is it? Magnetic field lines are entering into the south pole and field lines are coming out from the north pole. So apply the same here. You can see the same pattern here. The magnetic field lines are appears to be entering into this phase. So we can say this phase of the coil act as a south pole. Okay. So whenever the current flows in the clockwise direction, see here you can see positive end, here you can see negative end. So current flows in this direction. That is, when the current flows in the clockwise direction, the field lines are appears to be entering into the phase, then that phase of the circular coil act as a south pole. Okay. Here you can see the current, here you can see the positive end and here you can see the negative end. Current is flowing along this direction, that is in the anti-clockwise direction. When the current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction, you can see the field lines are coming out from this phase. We know that field lines are coming out from the north pole of the bar magnet. So we can say this phase of the circular coil act as a north pole. So when the current is in the anti-clockwise direction, field lines are appears to be coming out from this phase. So this phase act as the north pole. So coming back to this figure, here you can see the current is flowing in the clockwise direction. So this phase act as a this phase act as a south pole. And if you look at from this side, this current will appears as moving in the anti-clockwise direction, and this phase will act as a north pole, and if you look at from this side, this pole act as a south pole. Okay. So we can summarize, whenever the current passes in the anti-clockwise direction, that phase of the circular coil act as a north pole, and whenever the current flows in the clockwise direction, that phase act as a south pole. So remember the letter N and S. Whenever the current flows in the anti-clockwise direction, that phase act as the north pole, and whenever the current is in the clockwise direction, that phase act as a south pole. So open your textbooks. There are some questions are given. Are the magnetic field lines inside the coil seen in the same direction? So inside the coil, the magnetic field lines are in the same direction or not? Yes, the answer is no. The magnetic lines are not in the same direction. Here you can see the magnetic lines are revolving in the clockwise direction and here anti-clockwise direction. So the answer is no. What is the difference observed in the direction of magnetic field lines on reversing the current through the solenoid? If we reverse the direction, what happens? The direction of the magnetic lines also reversed. So what is the answer? The direction of magnetic lines reverse when the current through this is reversed. When the coil is viewed in such a way that the current is in the clockwise direction, how are the magnetic fields marked? So when the current is seen in the clockwise direction, the magnetic field lines are appears to be entering into the phase. Is it? So the answer is the magnetic field lines are appears to be entering into the coil, that is into the coil. How will the magnetic field lines appear when the coil is viewed in such a way that the current is in the anti-clockwise direction? So when the current is in the anti-clockwise direction, that phase acts as a north pole and the field lines are coming out from the coil. So underline these important points. When the electric current passes in the clockwise direction, the magnetic field lines appear to move away from us into the coil through the central part of the coil. But if the electric current passes in the anti-clockwise direction, the magnetic lines appear to move out towards us from the coil through its center. So if you look at from here, when the current flows in the anti-clockwise direction, the magnetic lines are appears to be coming out, and if you look at from here, you can see the current is flowing in the clockwise direction and magnetic field lines are appears to be here. The magnetic lines are magnetic lines are entering into the phase, and if you look at from this, you can see the magnetic field lines are coming out from the phase.